Hi, this challenge is for building a single page application for Salesforce 1. So for this, to the demo, I'll be using 1.1.app, which is recommended by Salesforce to test the Salesforce 1 application. So I have already enabled Salesforce 1 in my development org, and I'll do this. Okay, as you can see, as per that requirement, this tab is coming in under Salesforce 1. No other tabs are enabled. So you can see that this page is also responsive. So you need not to worry about these things. I have used Bootstrap so that that the responsiveness of the UI is still remain. Now will come the requirement one by one, and I will show how we have implemented it. First, that create a visual force page that enables Salesforce 1 mobile. So this page is enabled for Salesforce 1 mobile, and for the second requirement, like only show the profit center find. So I'm only showing that search profit center, which is for the profit center find. This visual force page. So upon clicking on the page, it will return on the search profit center. So input field for search profit center. So you can see the search profit center is coming, and there is an placeholder in search profit center. You can do some input string here and search, and this will support the type ahead. So you can see that its type ahead is supported. You see this C, it will come in California. If you type in, so it will come in NJ and NY 001. So it's supporting the type ahead functionality. So the records are returned should display the below link. This means it will be a card like thing. So first I'll test with the negative scenario. I'll type anything and I click on go. So you can see that no results are found. So you can see this is also is working. It will also work in mobile as well. So it is showing this one, no results found in accounts. You can see that no results found. Location for profit center codes, the input and the tips is here coming. So you can clear that search here by, as this is also one of portion of the requirement. I don't really understand, it means why you are giving that typed functionality, and as well as we are giving that SQL search, but I have given both of them here. So you can see as soon as you select this, it's automatically firing and you are getting the results. As well as if you are not satisfied with that autofill, you can put your one input and do the search manually. You can click on go as well. But as we are not as per this requirement, we are not using any wildcard search. So showing that the go button is does not good. So we have also posted some comment on that forum, but we have not got our answer. um, this input is type ahead. Now this one view, this it's one view application. So initially I have given a small page so that user can still search again with whatever the location they have got. It might happen they have selected some wrong thing, not it's not meeting the requirement. So I have given a small field, small UI where they can view their whatever the small fields means, what are the minimal fields they want to see in the search result, and they can see this. So you can see it's also very responsive, so it's automatically working. So now if I click on this name tag, it will redirect me to that one view page along with that the location detail page. See, this location detail page is it's a compact layout I have designed for location object. So you can add a different fields as well. So you can see here some opportunities and some contacts and some recent activities is also coming. So I have created a data model, like I have created a lookup in opportunity contact with a location object, so that one location can be associated with a multiple opportunity. So I'm showing it as a list. I also asked a question about the data model in the forum, but I have not received any response. So I'm going ahead with my assumption, because here is called as a list. So I am thinking the data model should be one to many relationship with opportunity, location to opportunity, and location to contact. So you can see these fields, one view fields are coming here, and opportunities, and in activity it will show you the only one activity here. So now what I'll do, I'll create one activity for this. I'll go into location. So you can see that California New York is coming. So for me it's California. So what I'll do, I'll go to California. This is another standard layout. Here, so I'll go to home page. I'll create a new task. I'll give a location. I will search. I'll give California here. Subject. I'll give the call. Due date. I'll give the today's date. Status is not started. So I'll create one task. So task is created for me. So now I'll go to the Salesforce one application and try to refresh the page. It will automatically get refreshed, like in mobile we'll drag and refresh. So you can see, click on that table, you can see that everything is in that manner also. So here it is, you can see this everything in a big manner, means where you are not able to see the location. This is mainly showing you that related list kind of a thing as in one view. So here you can see whatever is required. You can click on this, you can see all these things. And if you want to go back, you can click here. And if you again to go here, you can see in this page, whenever in a view, the view detail page, I have created one link called home. So when you click on this, it will go back to your search profit center. So now I'll search for NJ. Again I click on New Jersey, it will go. So you can see no record exists for this one. So, and as well as there is no related list as well. So it is no, there is no related list. So I have removed all the related list for this, so it is not coming in the location layout. So you all can see that it's only available for mobile, and it will be, this Visual Force is only available for mobile, uh, available for mobile as well. And if you click on this, you will get that whole data, whole view, and you can go to search profit center as soon as you click it. So I'll come to the requirement again. So there is one of the requirement that these feeds displayed in the card should be configurable via the custom setting. So as per my understanding, we are supposed to use a custom setting so that user can configure that number of fields whatever they want on the fly. But the disadvantage of using a custom setting here will be like, you have to go to the Apex code or the Visual Force page again. If you add any new field in the custom setting, you have to edit that Visual Force page and Apex class again. So I have preferred and I have used a field set, so that whatever the field you add, you need not to worry about whatever the whatever field you are getting added. You need not to worry about the code, Apex class and the Visual Force page. It will be automatically taken care. So now I'll show how it will work. So I'll search with NY in New York. I'm going there. So it's, there is no data. So I'll go back to California and I'll add new field and I'll see how it's work. So I'll go for California again. I'll go to California. So now you can see this only three fields are coming here: name, amount, stage, and close date. So as mentioned here, so opportunity first, name, stage, amount, and close date. So now I'll just go and configure that uh, opportunity object in such a way so that I will add one field in the custom setting. You can see there is nothing need to be changed. So I'll go to customize opportunities. I'll go to field set. I'll click on edit. Okay, as well as you can change the order as well. Suppose I'll want to see the close date uh, just under the name, and I want to see that probability as well in this one. So what I'll do, I'll do and save opportunity. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll go back. I'll go to home and I search with California again. So if I click on California, so now you can see the probability is coming and you can see the close date is coming just beside the name. So where from it is coming, it is automatically coming from the field set. Whatever the field set we have created, it is coming from there only. So I am removing that probability here and making it whatever however that user wants. So you can see you can add any field at any point of time as soon as whatever things you want. So whatever the fields you are showing on the UI, expect the name and an ID. Those are only hard coded on the SQL query. Otherwise, all other fields are coming from your field set. ID is required for the navigation because if you want to navigate from here to there, so to show the record, see there is also a requirement that you have to navigate. So I'm navigating to that opportunity. I can go back again. So I'll be coming to that navigation page while clicking here. So you can see it's working fine. You can design a compact layout for each and every object and it can be shown on here as well. So this is all about. I have created field set so that it can be configurable. Whatever the fields you want to show, it's also configurable. So if I go to home, search with ny. So whatever the fields are coming here also, these are also coming from a field set. So whatever the fields are shown on the UI, it's configurable from field set. You configure the field set, my code is automatically taken care of the new fields, and that what the order you are ordering, it is coming from field set. So I have created field set in opportunities. I have created field set in contact, and I have created field set in tasks, and as well as location. So for look, I have used location field set so that I can use this one, the location records, and for opportunities and for activities means tasks, and for contact I have used. So the list view card metaphor should display just highlighted field. This field displayed card should be configurable like gas testing, custom setting. I have used a different approach, but I think that I have implemented the functionality, and I understand correctly that what is the intention behind using the custom setting. So user can click on the list view card and navigate to the original record from the Visualforce page. So you can see you can navigate to the original record from here, and whenever you can see the opportunity, I think for this it's no, nothing is there. I'll go to home. I'll search with California. I'll go to California. Now if I click on that one view tab, you can see if I click on this I can go to that original record. So this record is this Reddit like section, so the below the location card I'm showing it below. Not I'm not showing the I the for this requirement I'm showing this on the second click. On the first click I'm showing the minimal data so that user can see that whether whatever the data they have received is correct location or not. If they are not, they can search again. So I just may introduce one new click to implement this requirement. and I'm showing the opportunities, contacts, and list of activities. Now I'm coming to that code how I have implemented. So to develop Apex classes, and I'll go to pages. So I have used two Visual Force page. One is called OneView, another is Profit Center Find. These things you are able to see when the application got loaded, and this is the OneView page. Now I'm coming to the Apex classes. So I have two Apex class and the two test classes for this. So I'll open all one by one and I'll show what I did over there. First, that OneView, it's a standard controller of the location object, and this method is very important here. So this method, what is then, it is getting that is object name, and it's returning the list of fields mentioned in that field set, and according to it I am building the query. You can see for this opportunity, this one. So I'm building the query like that. Select, and I'm iterating through that each and every field, and I am just that doing it and limited to 50,000, because it should be 1,000, but I'm limiting it to 50,000. I will change it later point of time to 1,000, so that I think 1,000 related list is enough. um, Same for the location. This method is getting called from whenever you type anything, and this method is getting called from the page using an action function, and it's querying the location object to get as per the requirement. I have used the exact match, so it is trying to fetch the exact match. And this, even if exception is coming, that means no record is found. So I'm catching the query exception and setting it to no records are exist, and I'm setting to location equal to null. So this is the Visual Force page, and I'm iterating to this is the important portion. This is the era panel, this is the result panel, and this is the main panel. So in this result panel you can see I am reading from the location object, and then I am iterating through the field set to get this, and I am populating the values apex out. I'm using apex output field, so that I'll get that all the flavors of that Salesforce standard functionality. Like if you see this application, if I go to home, so if I go to home now, if I search with California, so you can see that standard functionality is coming automatically here. So you can see the navigation is also coming. So if you go this, you can go there as well. So you do not to worry about things. And if you need to be edited, you can use apex input field here also, and you can use that apex db required our field set, so that it can be edited, or it can be edited as well. So I have used that apex standard fields, so that fields on the UI. There is another requirement I forgot to tell. So there is a requirement that whenever you type, a cross button should come, and if you click this, it need to be cleared. So it is also there. I have implemented. So if you do this, it will get cleared. So this is all about the code, and I have used it mainly that field set, so that whatever the fields are getting shown on the UI are dynamic. So in the last activity field, the only one detail view panel last activity location scene got need to be shown. For this, what I did here, you can see uh, I am querying from the task with the what ID is this and order by created date, and I'm limiting it to one, so that only that recent active thing will come in your field. So this is all about my video. And some other important configurations part I want to tell. So how first of all your Salesforce one need to be enabled, and if you go to the users, the user is also has to be a Salesforce one user. See, this need to be checked, as well as whatever the visual force page you are using, uh, that should be visual force enabled. So you see is also available for Salesforce apps. Now uh, that mobile navigation. So how you gonna configure the mobile navigation? So if you go to the mobile navigation, you can see lots of things are getting coming here. So I have removed everything as per the requirement. I've only added the profit center find. So what I did for this, I have created one custom tab for this. This one, please remember that if you want to add anything in the Salesforce mobile app, that tab need not to be a part of any application, custom application you are maintaining. Like if you want to add a new tab, so what you will do, you will go to new, and if you just showing like I am going to select this again, and I'm looking at test, and then tab name test. So tab style, I'm giving any tab style. See, I'll give the bottle. Click on next. You can do it a default on. Whenever click on next, you should do this so that it will come under mobile navigation. Otherwise it won't come in under mobile navigation. So in the mobile navigation, you can see the test is coming. So if you include the test tab in any one of the application, it won't come here. So you can't add it to Salesforce one application. So another one I want to tell like regarding the custom um, com compact layout. So if I go to the create objects, I'll go to the location object. So you can see I have used one field set for profile center, which is taking that only one field, one custom field is there. So that custom field is added is there. If you introduce a new field and you want to show on the UI, you can add this one and it will be shown on that search result automatically. So this is a compact layout. I want to say something about this compact layout. So it is system default right now. So what you can do, you can create a new compact layout. I can put the fields, and what you can do, you will do the assignment and assign it to the current user profile to that compact layout. Whenever they will view the record in that mobile screen, they will get on, they will only able to see those the fields present in the compact layout. So this will enhance that performance of the visual force page as well, other than showing a lot of field on the mobile UI. You want to try to reduce the number of fields, or you can segregate that between the different user how they want to view the different fields as well. It's a page layout for mobile, you can say the compact layout. And another thing is for the layout is there's thing called a mobile card. So you can put this as now you can, if you go to location, you open any location. So now you can see it is coming in this one as well. So now what I'll do, so you can see this in, and if you open any location, all the things are coming here as well. So I'll go to setup, I'll go to create objects. I'll go to the location object page layout. I'm going to click to edit it. Now what I'll do, I'll remove this page from here and I'll go to the Visual Force page. I'll click on the one view. I'll put it here. So I can just like page block section. So I'm setting it to 500. I'll so scroll bar and I'm clicking on OK. So now what happened? If you go here and if you click on enter, you can see it's still coming. But here if you go and if you see it's so you can see California, it is also coming. So you click on this, you will see all the records here. Click on home, it will go to the search profit center. So my intention of showing this, like there is no difference between if you do this here. So I click on save. So now see, it is not coming here. So in that standard layout. Now if I do something here for California, I clicked on California. Now you can see it's still coming on there. So now if you want to segregate this, you don't want to show this on standard UI, you want to only want to show on the mobile UI, you have to keep this Visual Force page here. This is the one of the configuration I want to tell the judges. So what can be done, I intentionally put it on that standard page. Now it won't come on the standard page layout, it will come only on a mobile application. So this is all about my development. And if I go Apex classes, so you can see that code coverage is 98%. If I do a run test, I'll go to Apex class again. So it is 98%. So I open the test classes. You can see I have put test.start, state.stop, and system.assert as well. This is all about my